What is going on, Ham Fam? Hope you're having a great morning, afternoon, evening, wherever it's watching this video. Welcome back to the channel, Ham Fam. If you are not liked and subscribed, make sure you are liked and subscribed. More or less subscribed. But welcome back. Hope you're having a great day. We actually have the seat video coming up. Just took the thumbnail for that. But I got a package in the mail, and I wanted to make a quick little video about it because it's kind of a big deal on these trucks. And as you can see, I've been doing a lot of interior stuff lately to the truck. Got the new headliner and stuff like that, and then, like I said, I got the caddy seats, and yeah, those gotta be re-leathered one day, but it's okay. And then I got the brand new front seats. Shout out to the seat shop, amazing company and a great do-it-yourself opportunity if you don't feel like paying an upholstery shop to do it and, you know, be without your seats for a while, because that only took like 2 hours doing all that. So anyways, back to the video. So we're going to be upgrading these rear cab vents on the truck today. Now, as you can see, see if this will focus. Look at these all cracked seals, and these flaps don't even flap anymore, really. I mean, they're just there. And then here we have the brand new replacement ones that were a hassle to find. I'm not even gonna lie. These, compared to these, are literal night and day. So I'll give you a little comparison real quick. So here's the seal to that one, and then here's the seal to that one. So if you don't know where these go inside the back of the cab right here. And I have the interior put back together, but if you want to take them out, you're gonna have to take off this pad right here, and then you're gonna have to take off the there's a big plastic piece. Actually, you can see it in my bed. There's a big plastic piece that connects to the back of the truck. Take those two pieces off, and then you just have these clips on the top. Where's it at? Oh, got a little sand on it. So you have these clips right here, or that clip, excuse me, and you just push it and pop it out. But basically, to install these things, you just come from the under the truck, like so, pop her in, and then these have new seals, so water, it will still be vented. This is basically to pressurize the cab, kinda, and then water will drip down here and not go inside the cab like it was with these. And the only reason I was doing that with these is because obviously the seals are dry rotted and everything. And this one actually has the 4th seal too, so that's awesome. I can give you a part number real quick. If you get the GM factory number, it is a 13596-856 part number. So there you have it. Just order those. I found these on Amazon. I wasn't finding them at first, nor eBay. They only had one in stock, but I looked up and was on the way to work and I was checking, and they had 2 in stock. So I went ahead and grabbed 2. And yeah, so now I'm about to pop these in real quick. I'll show you exactly how to do it. I'm just gonna go into the truck, pop them in, and then it'll be done. So as you can see back there, there's a big hole. So we're just gonna come under the truck. All right, so just gonna come under the truck, notch side down. I'm gonna follow it up here. Make sure the bottom notch is in. Now that you got it in, make sure the bottom notch is in. And then come up top and pop that notch in, and should be good. Check it real quick. All right, simple as that. Now we're gonna go do the other side. All right, now that we got these bad boys in, it's go time. Simple install. Make sure you guys like and subscribe if you learned something today. Very simple install, like 2 minutes. So if you do have a wet carpet, road noise, excessive road noise, your cabin air or your cabin pressure is like kind of weird, and your doors are shutting like stupid easy, yeah, very simple install. It costs about $25 a piece, and so obviously like $50. And if you can find them, good luck. They're on Amazon or any OE parts website. So until next time.